Out! Come down with this gun.
Indawo elisebenzela kuyo, it's not safe for mina ne. We understand ukuthi nithole umsebenzi, you are working here.
Yeah. Hey! Pull it!
Uqashelani-ke vele.
Uzwa. Ubuthi sithole manje vele.
The Deputy Minister responsible for Labour and Business also conducted a separate compliance operation to verify whether businesses were adhering to the regulations set by the department. During the operation, a manufacturing business was found to be non-compliant and it was subsequently shut down.
Come down with this gun.
Compensation fund. We want to check whether your workers are registered with the UIF, they are registered with the compensation fund, they get pay slip, they are paid the minimum wage. We are going to check all those things, but we need you to cooperate with us. We need your documents of employment and labor in South Africa. I think that you've explained to him why we are here. We need your maximum cooperation. We don't beg it. We want you to cooperate with this team. They are going to need some documents from you. You must provide them with the documents that they need. Provide them with the information that they need.
Sorry.
No, wait. I'm not talking to you. I'm not talking to you. So you will talk to me when I talk.
I'm going to go look at.
That's it.
A whole seat. I'm a complex. I'm a complex. Yeah. Hey! Pull it!
Uqashelani-ke vele.
Uzwa. Ubuthi sithole manje vele.
The MMC of the city of Ekurhuleni conducted a compliance operation targeting businesses owned by foreign nationals. During the operation, it was discovered that several businesses were operating without the required documentation, and police proceeded to make arrests.
Our team. So we can't allow you to do what you're doing anymore. You're making business in our own city. You don't comply, you don't pay even rates and taxes. You're busy doing wrong things here. We won't allow you to do that. They've been coming here to your shop for several times, but you don't listen to them. You undermine them. You think you're here in South Africa for you to bypass the laws. No. They told you that you must comply. These guys have been here several times. You disrespect them. But those in the shop, we're gonna take you with us.
Everyone out.
And approved building plan. This is an application, it's not an approved building plan. So we're going to revoke this certificate, but also close this shop, then you follow the process.
But these guys, they know the law. You don't apply for passport, you start traveling. You're on the plane. When they say, where is your passport? You say, no, I've just applied. You can't do it. You know. You know that. I'm giving a simple example. You don't apply for something when it's in the process and then you continue with your plans. Unless if you do it where you come from.
But do the right thing. We're advising you.
No, thank you for
do
that.
the right thing.
But the building, the business was.
Battalion.
And I'm encouraging them.
The MMC then addressed the workers found on site, clarifying that the intention of their operation was not to disrupt work, but rather to enforce compliance and ensure worker safety by verifying that the working environment meets the standards set by the city.
But umasipala wethu unalento esibiza ngama-bylaws. For umuntu kuze akhe something or akhulise anything, kumele eze kamasipala bazokwazi ukuthi bam-approvele. Now, ama-boss wenu, njengoba baphethe lamaphepha, baze kamasipala bafaka amaphepha, zange bammele umasipala baphi approval. Ba-extend. Umthetho uthi awakhi before uthole approval. So bona ba-decide ukwakha before bathola i-approval. And it's risky for you. Indawo engaphasiswanga umasipala like le makungawa le insimbi or any other thing iwele phezu any one of you la nilimali akuna government ozonibhadala. Wabona bazonishiya babuyele la babuya khona nisale nizibona. So namhlanje njengoba senza this compliance sizoyivala le ndawo. We understand ukuthi niyasebenza. The good part about umasipala wethu ukuthi uyakuphi isikhathi. Mawukunikeza isibiza ngeticket iticket bathi iticket le train. Now siyakunikeza ilona yakho ukuthi siyakubona iza kamasipala uze phambili. For you ukuthi uzokwazi ukuthi comply. So siyaba notice for a certain period. Most of the time we give them 28 days to comply. Ne? So nalaba. But laba what intesitola ukuthi bastop abelungu benu. Because they know ukuthi mele basubmit mabaceda bamele i-building plan ukuthi pass, but they didn't. So sizobavala as ithandwa zabo. Masiceda ukubavala, they need to come to the municipality. Ane? Bazolungisa amaphepha wabo.